Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add indicators in MetaTrader 5 using your mobile device. Indicators are essential tools in trading that helps you analyze market trends, price movements, and potential entry or exit points. First of all, launch open MetaTrader 5 application on your Android or iPhone. Now make sure that you're logged into one of your accounts, and from the home page or the Codes tab, go ahead and select the chart where you want to add an indicator. After opening up a chart, go ahead and tap on the F icon at the top of the screen. From the Indicators menu, tap on Plus. A list of categories will appear on the screen. Select an indicator you want to add from the categories. After selecting one, adjust the settings in it. You can go ahead and adjust the settings for periods, deviations, backsteps, time frames for under visual, the value up and value down style, and once you are done with the adjustments, click on Done at the top right. You will then be able to add an indicator in the chart. The applied indicator will start appearing in your chart. You can also edit or remove the indicator. If you want to learn that too, make sure to comment down below in the comment box. That was how you can easily add an indicator in MetaTrader 5 using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.